Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Tease and Please Love Dice and Door Hanger Kama Sutra. So let's get started. So this is the door hanger and the sex dice itself. Now you can roll these dice and enjoy a fantastic night in the bedroom. The pink dice has lots of different locations, for example, such as kitchen, bedroom, outside, bathroom. Simply roll the dice for the location and then roll the black dice, which has a range of different positions, so you can make it even more exciting, especially if you want to spice up your love life. There's lots of different positions designed to bring some playful variation into your love life. There's also a door sign made from the packaging as well. Once the dice have been unpackaged, the packaging can be used as a door sign to ward off people. Perfect for couples, beginners and experienced users alike. And that's the Tease and Please Love Dice and Door Hanger Kama Sutra. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.